Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to add song to Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account. If you have already logged in into your desired Instagram account, head over to the plus icon. Once you're in your reel option, head over to any picture or video you want. Here you can edit your reel, and if you're done editing, just tap on next and then just scroll down, go to more options, and go back, and here you can see add a music option. Head over there and you can just add music from here, any music you want. Suppose this one. Click on done and click on next, and then just tap on share. Once you do it, as you can see, my reel is getting posted, and here goes the song I have added. And this is how you can do it too. And hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.